Writing style engaging. Hey everyone! Have you ever wondered why rice and pasta get all soft and fluffy when you cook them? Well, brace yourself for a little kitchen science magic called gelatinization. So here's the scoop. Both rice and pasta are packed with starch. Starch, my friends, is made up of thousands of glucose units. Now, when they're all dry and uncooked, these starch molecules are tightly packed and crystalline, kind of like a battalion of soldiers standing rigidly. But here's where the fun starts. When you put rice or pasta into boiling water, those little soldiers, starch molecules, begin to relax. The heat causes the water to penetrate the starch granules, and these granules start to swell up. Imagine filling a balloon with water. It starts small and gets bigger and bigger. That's exactly what's happening at a microscopic level inside your pot. As the temperature rises to about 60 to 70 degrees Celsius, the granules swell to the point where they can't hold their structured form anymore. They burst, and all those glucose soldiers get released into the wild, into the surrounding water, creating a kind of mesh that thickens the water around each grain of rice or strand of pasta. This process, my dear spectators, is what we call gelatinization. It's the reason your pasta can go from a hard, inedible twig to a soft, sauce-hugging miracle. And rice? It turns from tiny, hard grains to fluffy clouds, perfect for accompanying your favorite dishes. Isn't it fascinating how a simple cooking process can transform food by just understanding what's happening on a molecular level? This is why I love science, and I bet now you do a bit more too. Next time you're boiling pasta or rice, remember you're not just cooking, you're performing a science experiment right in your own kitchen. Thanks for tuning in and keep those curious minds busy. Until next time, stay savvy and keep experimenting.